Hello, students, and welcome to your last week of classes in your online Lifespan Growth and Development course. This week, our final chapter is Chapter 15, which will cover the psychosocial stages of development in late adulthood. So this week, there's not a writing assignment. I know it's a busy week and coming off of Thanksgiving. So you'll have your lecture slides as well as your Chapter 15 quiz that are due this week. While we're in here, let's go ahead and look ahead to your final exam. So your final exam, I'm going to open it up early so that you can choose a date that works best for you to take this final exam. So you do not have to wait and take it on Wednesday, December 7th, but it is due by Wednesday, December 7th. So whenever you feel ready, I would say after you've taken the Chapter 15 quiz, certainly because some of that material will be on your final exam, then please feel free to proceed and get your final exam taken care of. Excuse me. And again, I repeat, it is due not this week. This week you will have the Chapter 15 quiz due by December 4th, but your final exam is due by Wednesday, December 7th. As you click on it, you will see all the details. It's 100 questions long, and you should be, at this point, very familiar with the process of taking those quizzes in your Macmillan Higher Education Achieve platform. However, if you have any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. In closing, I just want to say it has been a pleasure to be your professor this semester. I know with online classes it's a little bit different because we're not meeting face-to-face a couple times a week like we do with our face-to-face classes, but you've done a great job on the work. I have felt like I've gotten to know you through your journals and through your writing assignments. And hopefully one day maybe we will get to meet in person. But you just have been great students this semester. I hope that this course has been worth your while and you feel like you've learned quite a bit about the stages of lifespan. And I wish each and every one of you a great winter break, happy holidays, and have a wonderful spring semester. Take care, everyone.